In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Moosend email with ClickFunnels. By the end, your new ClickFunnels leads will flow straight into your Moosend mailing list automatically, so you can follow up without lifting a finger. First, open your browser and search for Zapier. We're using Zapier as the bridge that connects ClickFunnels and Moosend, so head to the official Zapier website from the top search result. Once you're there, sign into your Zapier account. If you're already logged in, you can move straight to creating your automation. In the dashboard, click Create, then choose Zaps. A zap is simply a trigger and action workflow. Think of it like when something happens in ClickFunnels. Do something in Moosend. Start by choosing your trigger app. Search for ClickFunnels, then pick a trigger that fits your workflow, such as new contact or contact activity. New contact works great if you want every new lead added to your list. When Zapier prompts you, authenticate your ClickFunnels account. This lets Zapier securely read the event data it needs. You can also narrow down the trigger to a specific funnel or page if you want more control. After that, pull in sample data so Zapier has a contact to work with while you set things up. Next, choose your action app by searching for Moosend. Select Add Subscriber if you want to add new leads to a list, or Update Subscriber if you want to refresh existing records. You'll be asked to choose your Moosend account and the specific mailing list you want to use. Picking the right list now keeps your contacts organized later. Now map your fields. Link the ClickFunnels email to the email field in Moosend. That's the most important piece. Then map the name fields, like first name and last name, to their matching fields in Moosend. If ClickFunnels stores a full name, you can map it to a single name field in Moosend, or split it if you have separate fields available. Accurate mapping ensures your emails can personalize correctly. When your mapping looks good, run a test. Zapier will send a sample contact from ClickFunnels into your Moosend list. Check that the email and name arrive exactly where you expect. If something doesn't look right, adjust the fields and retest. Finally, turn on the zap. From now on, every time your selected ClickFunnels trigger fires, Moosend will receive that contact automatically. That's it. Simple, reliable, and ready to scale your follow-up.